All right, y'all. So I took this very light duty 18-volt trimmer that usually comes with this thin trimmer line. It's a single line trimmer head, and it does very basic, easy trimming around your city lot. No problem at all. It's not real high powered, but it does great for people that don't want a high powered trimmer. So I got this kit here that actually changes out. You take this part of it off, you pull the spool out, and then you slap this cap on here, and it gives you basically a brush cutter set of blades. I said, hey, let's see how well this 18-volt, really lightweight trimmer is going to do with some brush cutter blades on it. And I was extremely surprised on how well this thing cuts. Let's go check it out. I would never try to cut high grass and weeds like this with this little 18-volt trimmer because it just flat out can't do it. Well, until now. So I just did this and it cut it no problem. Yeah, these blades basically turn this trimmer into a brush cutter. So here's a pretty crazy weed that this trimmer, no way ever could cut down. Even if I sat on it for 10 minutes with the trimmer, it would probably still not cut this thing down. So let's see what this new brush blade system for this will do. Something that the regular thin line this thing has would never even get through. These blades just destroyed it. So basically this kit is going to take your very light duty 18-volt Ryobi trimmer like this one here, this Easy Edge, and it is going to turn it into a brush cutter. Now, of course, you can still trim with this, and if you trim with this and you get too close to concrete or whatever, you'll just probably eat up the blades. But I think the key here is to use this in high grass and weeds, things like this that you would never even dream of using this trimmer in. If you have that type of job, you might want to give this kit a try. You put those blades on this little easygoing trimmer and you've got yourself a little rebel here. It's basically going out there and cutting like crazy. Will the battery probably run down quicker? I'm sure it will, but it actually does it. That's the crazy part. So anyways, just wanted to show you this. I'll put a link down in the description of what kit this is, but pretty neat little kit if you have one of these trimmers. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.